Hello guys, I'm really excited to welcome you to my Human Design course, Find Out Who You Really Are. And I want to tell you that if you go through this course and if you do the practices that are there, your life will never be the same. And I know this statement sounds kind of cheesy, but nevertheless, this is what happened to me, and this is what happened to many people who ever entered Human Design Experiment. And throughout the course, I want to share with you the things that I've learned through my Human Design journey, because it's very important to teach not something that you really know about, but something that you've experienced about. And I can tell you that Human Design really changed my life. And it changed my life in unimaginable ways. I wouldn't be even dreaming about the specific things that came into my life because of Human Design. And it only happens when we live our true path. So I made sure that the course that you're going through will be very simple, basic, and at the same time very deep. And also the knowledge that I believe in has to be practical. So I've shared a lot of practices with you, a lot of awareness techniques for your specific thing in your Human Design life chart. So, what questions will Human Design answer for you? Human Design holds all the answers to the questions that you've been asking for, that you've been longing to know for so long. I'm inviting you to this online course to see it for yourself.